Hello friends, good afternoon. Today I am going to discuss how Odoo version 18 combo choices will help us specifically for kitchen cabinet business. What I have done is with Odoo combo choices I have created a separate combos for door constructions, then door colors, then door style, door type, pull colors and pull types. These are my combo choices I would like to propose to the customers. And in the product, what I have done is I have created a separate category where entire kitchen assembly will be there as a part of selection, starting from this item as a colors and different type of shaker, different type of frame or frameless and everything. All the products have been created with its respective pricing, and then I have created one master product, that is my combo type product. So that product I am going to show as, let me show product type, that will be combo type, and here it is kitchen cabinet doors, where I have put all the combo choices as a part of selection, which I have created under my combo choices. See this, these are my combo choices for kitchen. So let's see how exactly it will work. So I have given a name as kitchen cabinet doors, and when I go to website, now this will be the ideal kitchen one looks for, and then he will select the number of cabinets he want to install inside it. So he say like I want to install 6 cabinets, and then when he say add to cart, the entire selection process will come into picture with the pricing. So the customer want to go for storm shaker style, then he want to choose this color, then he want to choose this shaker style, and then he want to go frameless, then he want to choose this as a pull color, and then he will select this as a handle. And then once he say continue shopping, all the items will be made available in his cart. And then when he goes, he can see how many items he need, and he can directly place an order. So this is how a kitchen cabinet company can manage their orders. So SO93 is with me, and when I'm going here, SO93, I can see my SO is there with all the items with respective pricing made available over here with standard delivery. As soon as I confirm the order, it will create a delivery, and all the items will be now I can order from my replenishment, as I haven't give make to order, but all the items now made available over here. Okay, so if I want to do by category, it will say all 6 items, 6 units I need to buy from my preferred vendor. So I say my vendor selection over here. So this is my vendor, and then I can proceed with my orders. So this is how replenishment will work. But now that was only the e-commerce part. Let me run you through the backend part. When I add a product in backend with kitchen cabinet doors, the same interface will be made available with entire thing. And this time I want to go with stone slab, then this style, then I want to go with this style, then with frame, with this pull color, and with this knob style handle, and then I confirm. So now this will be made available to me with the selection process. Now if I want to give more quantity, I'm just deleting, so entire group has been deleted because it is a part of combo. Now I'm going again and then selecting my styles with frame, with this, with knob, and then I'm updating. I need maybe 14 cabinets, and I confirm. So now everything will be made available with multiplier of 14 units, and then I can confirm the order. It will generate the delivery for me with entire order like this. Okay. So see, this is how easy it is to handle different orders, and then delivery has been generated in our replenishment screen. When I refresh, we can see the updated demand for my kitchen cabinets over here. Okay, so shaker style 20 and all this, we have to see the standard updates from here, and then the delivery has been generated for SO93. So it has clubbed all this thing. So check availability, nothing was there, and then I can again go for it and maybe update the quantity over here, and then I can place my order. So I want to update to order 20 units each to fulfill my order. And now I save it. I don't have any more product. I select all and just say. So it will create the order, and then again the 14 demand has been updated with all these items. So now with me, I think everything is made available, and I can go into my purchase, and my purchase order will be created with respected item with whatever the cost price we have. So this is how the combo choice can now fit into kitchen door cabinets traders who are making a custom order from customer choice, can give this entire choice on e-commerce of Odoo as well as on backend of Odoo, and then sell this item to their customers respectively. Thank you guys.